was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered and frowned. Will she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was, live your life just like you're young again.
Hi everyone, this is Anthony Battaglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. I got a couple packages from Amazon. I got a couple protein powder. First protein powder is Isobure. It's like a clear protein. It's 20 grams of protein. I think it's like lime and mango or something like that. That's the first one. This is an orange and lemon, same kind, but like different flavors. 100% wheat protein, 4 grams of BCAAs, no fat, no added sugars, so it's pretty good. 20 grams of protein. Isobure protein powder, clear protein powder. Well, that's it for the video. That's unboxing with Anthony. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my channel. Also comment on this video if you use this protein powder. Also, if you'd like to join my Patreon, I'm going to have that linked up in the YouTube channel. I also have my PayPal address and my Cash App, so if you'd like to donate to the channel, help out the channel so I can grow my channel, you can send donations to the PayPal address and Cash App. Also, if you want to buy merch for my channel, so you can rock the merch, I'm going to have that also linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to help out the channel, support the channel, you can send support in the links in the YouTube channel. Well, that's unboxing with Anthony. Have a good day. Hi everyone, this is Anthony Battaglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. I got a couple muscle protein powder from Amazon. Unboxing with Anthony. I got their big 5-pound jugs of protein powder. 50 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar per serving. I got the chocolate, knockout chocolate. It's from the Pro Series of Muscle Milk brand. I got 2 jugs of it. It was like almost buy one get one free because I had some discounts and some discount money. Big jugs. Work out for strong, be strong, move forward. So this is some good protein powder. Well, that's unboxing with Anthony for muscle milk protein powder. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos. Share my videos. Share my channel. Also, comment on this video if you use the muscle milk protein powder. For I think it was like 5 pounds. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my channel, and also comment. Also, if you'd like to support my channel, I'm going to have my Patreon linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to support the channel so I can grow my channel and do more videos like this or other ones, you can send support to the Patreon. Also, if you'd like to donate to the channel, I'm going to have my PayPal address and Cash App linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to help out and support the channel and donate to the channel. Also, I'm going to have my merch. So if you'd like to buy merch for the channel, you can rock the merch. So you can show support for the channel. Well, that's unboxing with Anthony muscle milk protein powder from Amazon. It was like $30 something, $40 something, but I got it for 30 something. So if you like the links for the items in this video, just comment, link me, and I'll show you the I'll give you the link for the items that I bought. Well, that's unboxing with Anthony. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
And no, don't.